Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites, Dizzy Panda V1. 4 or later, at least 2 GB free disk and 4 GB RAM. Once those are met, install and launch the app, then sign in with your account. Make sure to grant camera and microphone permissions if the feature is needed. Next, open a new workspace and choose the Quick Start profile. This pre-configures settings so you can act immediately. Import the sample dataset to validate the environment and ensure data formats match expected CSV or JSON schemas. Once the workspace is ready, configure the processing pipeline. Arrange stages, add filters, and set concurrency. For most machines, threads equals 4 is a good starting point. Map input fields to the app schema and set thresholds for validation rules so you avoid noisy results. Enable the live preview pane to inspect transformed records as you tweak mappings. Run a short test job of 1 to 5 records to confirm output formatting and performance. If the test succeeds, scale the job to your full dataset confidently. To finish, start the full run and monitor the progress bar and detailed logs for exceptions. Export results to CSV or JSON and validate a few records to ensure integrity. Save your workspace as a reusable template and set an automated schedule if you need recurring runs. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting step is to inspect the error logs, then reduce batch size or threads and rerun a small test job to isolate the issue. Contact support with log excerpts if the problem persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.